Whilst you are on the same path. Whilst you are on the same path. And so it is only the foolish who will jubilate when people are falling. This morning, I want to add my voices to the voices that are calling His Excellency the President concerning the Capital Plus young man who is serving a jail sentence in Nsawam. A young man's name is Oduro. He was pardoned in the previous administration. Your Excellency, good morning. There's a petition coming to your table by the lawyers of that young man. Please, that young man is too intelligent for prison. And at the moment, he has a health challenge on humanitarian grounds. Please, could he be added to the people that will be pardoned this year? Oduro is the name. Not Kofi. Oduro is the name. They are asking. That young man knows how to make money. He knows how to build businesses. He knows how to build even a nation. I think it will be a waste for him to be in some way. Even if he is owing this nation, let us release him to come and work and pay his debt. Rather than to die in prison, I think that it will be a waste of life. So when people fall, we don't rejoice. Me and Mijina, I can go to prison. The people who have gone to prison and come back, when they tell their experiences, you will stop your nonsense. Yeah. You can beat your wife. The prison is also a home for you. Yeah. Show you them friend a baby. And I drop patch or run a dross done so. No, relax, I'm serious here. Oh, done so. Sleep, lie upon him upon her in the night. Then by daytime, just on a misunderstanding, you swish like this and become another person.